Hey everyone, welcome back to History Facts and News Digest. With the upcoming election right around the corner, let's dive into one of the most essential rights of every American citizen, the right to vote. Voting isn't just about casting a ballot. It's your chance to shape the future of your community and your country. So, whether you're a first-time voter or just looking for a refresher, we've got you covered. First things first, when and where can you vote? Most states offer flexible options to make voting as easy as possible for you. You can vote in person on election day, take advantage of early voting, or even vote by mail if your state allows it. If you're voting in person, just head to your assigned polling location, where election workers will be there to guide you. Some states even offer early voting, so you can avoid the election day rush. Be sure to check with your state's election office for specific early voting dates and locations in your area. For those who prefer voting by mail or need an absentee ballot, make sure to request your ballot early and follow your state's guidelines closely. Some states mail ballots to all registered voters, while others require a request. And once your ballot is filled out, you can mail it back, drop it off at a designated ballot box, or hand it in at your local election office. Here's a quick tip. If you're mailing your ballot, some states include prepaid postage but others don't, so double-check before you send it. Or skip the stamp altogether by using an official ballot drop box in your area. To help you make informed choices, many election offices provide sample ballots and information on candidates and issues in advance. You can usually find these resources online, so you'll be ready to make your voice heard on election day. Now, let's talk about ID requirements. Each state has its own rules, and most states do require you to bring identification if you're voting in person. If you're voting by mail, be sure to provide the required information on your ballot. If you don't have an ID, you can typically get one from your state's motor vehicle office, and there are organizations that may help with ID fees if needed. Voting is a right for everyone, so if English isn't your primary language, or if you have a disability, there are resources to help you. Most election offices can provide ballots in different languages or assistive devices. You can even bring a family member or friend to help translate if needed. Accessibility is your right, so don't hesitate to reach out for support. Every citizen has the right to an accessible voting experience. If you feel your voting location lacks proper accommodations or resources, contact your local election office or the Department of Justice for assistance. And remember, federal laws protect your right to vote. The Department of Justice provides a Know Your Rights voting guide available in English and Spanish. If you encounter any issues while voting, like language access problems or accessibility barriers, you can report them to the DOJ. Want to support your community during this election? Consider signing up to be a poll worker. Poll workers play a crucial role in ensuring smooth voting experiences by setting up voting locations, assisting voters, and ensuring everything runs fairly. Plus, it's a paid role. Check with your local election office for more details. Make your voice heard this election day? Remember, your vote shapes your community, and every vote counts. For more updates on the election, history, and news, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay informed with History Facts and News Digest. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.